Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.